In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SNT future while talking about status cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, generally remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything fundamentally is an unpleasant errand, explicitly not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like status, which is genuinely critical. Presently, we should head into it in an unpretentious manner. Before we dig profound into the status value expectation and answer questions in the event that SNT essentially is a genuinely wise venture or not, for what reason will SNT sort of succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will status value rise or drop, we should rapidly fundamentally toss a look at what in every practical sense, is SNT and its to-date history, which is very huge. SNT price prediction for the next 90 days, which is genuinely critical. The genuinely entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin in a real sense has drooped half from its record-breaking commonly high in the midst of a more extensive market drops influenced by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional in every practical sense, stable business sectors amazingly. Crypto sort of is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This explicitly is for the most part reflected in our 2022 expectations, in opposition to prevalent thinking. At the present time, Bitcoin sort of requirements to explicitly find a neighborhood base before we can move in the truly inverse heading and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many certainly times in the removed and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the exceptionally next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, as opposed to mainstream thinking. We expect whales and really other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike in a significant manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical truly potential, and a few in every practical sense, other kind of exclusive elements created in our crypto lab in a by and large huge manner. Status price prediction 2022. Most of specialists by and large concur that this bear market will absolute endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, or so they thought. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 22.19%, $0.0229 in a significant manner. 2022 November minus 41.80%, $0.0171. 2022 December minus 31.12%, $0.0202, or so they especially thought. 2023 Jan minus 24.49%, $0.0222, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. 2023 February minus 12.38%, $0.0258, which is very critical. 2023 Mar minus 15.30%, $0.0249, which most certainly is genuinely critical. 2023 April minus 1.49%, $0.0290. 2023 May plus 5.22%, $0.0309. 2023 June plus 7.62%, $0.0316. 2023 July plus 10.08%, $0.0324, or so they really thought. 2023 August plus 18.68%, $0.0349 in an unpretentious manner. 2023 September plus 23.60%, $0.0363, which is genuinely critical. SNT price prediction 2025 in a significant manner. Our expectation model sees SNT coming to $0.0594 in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. What will SNT be by and large worth in 5 years? The cost of SNT in 5 years could lie around $0.0556, which is genuinely critical. Status coin price prediction 2030 to 2040, which by and large is genuinely huge. What status will be worth in 2030? Amazingly, our Gwajing model sees status coming to $0.1485 in 2030. What status will for the most part be in every practical sense, worth in 2040, which is genuinely huge. Our determining model sees status coming to $0.2969 in 2040 in a by and large significant manner. Will status truly supplant / outperform / for the most part overwhelm Bitcoin, or so they thought? No, status won't supplant or certainly overwhelm BTC. Might status at any point for the most part reach $1 in a huge manner? Indeed, status could reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Might status in every practical sense, at any point reach $10 in a significant manner? Indeed, it is conceivable that status can explicitly reach $10, however just in a removed future, after 2030. Could status at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for status to really reach $100 in the especially short or midterm period, which is genuinely critical. Could status at any point really reach $1,000, in opposition to mainstream thinking? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for status to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is status really worth purchasing? We are backers of modestly dangerous money management. Explicitly contribute the vast majority of essentially your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of genuinely enormous cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain incredibly. Thus, in this unique situation, status especially merits purchasing, or so they generally thought. Is status a wise speculation? Status is, very much like all by and large other cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous interest in an unobtrusive way. It has a lot higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, extremely dynamic local area and a sort of strong group behind it, or so they thought. What amount will status be worth? For the extremely momentary future, it could basically reach $0.0171 in a significant manner.